कहते हैं कि शॉर्ट कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए स्मोकिंग की तरह होता है, उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से लॉन्ग कंटेंट दिमाग के लिए एक ब्रेन वर्कआउट होता है. वेलकम टू TRS क्लिप्स. What did you like about Banaras?
I love the energy there. I think so. I stayed in this hotel called Bridge something. It's on the Ghats. So I had actually gone there for shoot. I shot for this film called Smart Shankar there. And so, oh my God, I didn't tell you this. So I went to the temple, and that was the first time my mom joined me at a shoot. So she came for a day. My parents never come to my shoot ever. I guess they they get bored or something, so they never like accompany me or anything. But I had called her because I wanted to do the darshan, and I just went and I just prayed, and I was like, God, if this film doesn't work, I will leave. But if I'm meant to stay in this industry as an actor, show me a sign with the result of this film. And that film became a huge blockbuster unexpectedly. No one thought that film would, become this huge, but it became a huge blockbuster. So I was like, okay, maybe that's my sign to stay then. Because I was like, this is my answer. If this doesn't work, I'm out. If this works, I'll stay.
Do you remember which mandir you went to?
I went to the Kashi Vishwanath temple,
Okay.
did the Abhishek there in the morning. Abhishekam, they say in South. So I did that in the morning. And that was when I also hit my head um, on. So there was this temple that I had to go into, and the wall was really low. So I just got up and I just hit my head so badly that there were just like hot tears coming down. I couldn't even react. It was just instant. But after that, my entire perspective on life, on God, spirituality, myself completely changed. There's one thing they say about number 8, right? So this is number 8. But they say when you become spiritual, it becomes infinity. So I think that's what happened to me in Kashi. That 8 just became infinity.
You had to go through a pain as a karmic cleanse.
I think so, because
Knock
that
you.
was really painful. It was stone.
Hmm.
And it was right here.
It was in Kashi Vishwanath?
It was in Kashi Vishwanath.
That's a good thing. Then.
Yeah.
Then I don't feel bad for you. Sorry.
Yeah, hai na?
Otherwise,
Something
feel
nice.
bad for you,
Yeah,
but
thank you.
it's fine.
It's fine.
Life became nice after that.
Life became very, very different after that. I think I stopped. So I'm very detached from results in my life. Also, my Ketu time is going on. But yeah, so
It's Ketu. Ooh.
So that's gotten some great lessons for me as well. So I have seemingly become very detached from people, from results, from everything. Yeah, I'm just becoming more and more detached, I think, from things.
Because this theme has come up again, I'm going to take away a tangent that's in my head.
Yeah.
So in the last 2 days, there was this one clip that went viral of Shubman Gill.
Okay.
Shubman Gill is like India's new cricket
Yeah.
superstar.
Yeah.
And he's recently been dropped from one of our 3 teams.
Okay.
The T20 team. Now, as the media in India sometimes does its thing, in a press conference, he was questioned about being dropped.
Right.
Hey man, how do you feel?
How will you feel?
Yeah.
You
And
know?
his response
Yeah.
was so nice. He repeated the same lesson that we've spoken about.
Right.
But sometimes you just need that pop culture figure to repeat
Yeah.
it, to remind yourself.
Absolutely.
And I messaged him saying, bro, love this.
Yeah.
He said that, hey, I am giving my 100% all the time. And I know that what's in my destiny can't be taken away from me.
Yeah, it can't.
And that's why I'm okay with it, because I'm putting in my 100% effort and I'm confident in my own life.
Very mature
Wow.
and very well said.
That's my
You
captain.
know? Yeah.
That's the Indian
Yeah.
captain.
Absolutely. No, I agree with you. You need that mindset. And I also feel like people, like even the audience, everybody needs to always look at things as a whole. You don't look at today. Today is yesterday, tomorrow. It's not just about ye film chal gayi, ye match jeet gaya. It's not that. You see the greatest of the greatest people who have lived on this planet.
Yeah.
The most famous people who have lived. They've all had a journey of ups and downs.
Yeah.
It's not just up and up and up. No one's life is like that.
Yeah.
So even on top, the person is as talented. Even at their lowest, that same person is as talented.
Yeah.
So talent has nothing to do with where you are in life.
Yeah. There's this lesson that I think I learned fairly late as a media professional and helped me out with this, because I know you'll get what I'm saying, but if I'm articulating it correctly. So social media engagement has become a bit of a metric, especially in
Yeah.
our world as content
It
creators.
has.
How many views, how
Yeah.
but the thing is, now take a step back. And when we were growing up in India in the 90s and 2000s, there were so many superstars. You
Yeah.
go on their social media stuff
Yeah.
now, they're not getting that much engagement.
No, they are not.
They can make like 10K, 15K likes. I also think, again, even that's an up and down journey.
Yeah.
And eventually you'll be remembered for your decades of work
Absolutely.
if being remembered interests you as a concept.
Yeah. Again. Yeah.
Like, because I've also noticed that everyone who obsesses over legacy ends up in sadness. Everyone goes, oh, I want to build a legacy. I see this with athletes, actors. Just chill out and work.
I
man.
don't know. I feel like nowadays it's not possible to build a legacy. I mean, I
Yeah.
could be wrong, but everything is so temporary.
Yeah.
It's just news is 2 days. Anything sticks around for 2 days and then they forget about it. You know, a person's career, whatever, like a film or a great win is remembered for like a week and then it's done.
Thanks for watching TRS Clips. Make sure to explore the channel. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे clips upload करे हैं. You'll keep working out your brain as you keep exploring the channel.